Yamal LNG, history in the making. Russia, the Yamal Peninsula, a remote region in the Russian Arctic, a land of undiscovered potential offering vast opportunities for natural gas production and liquefaction. Being a pilot project, Yamal LNG has been well received and strongly supported by the Russian government. The project will utilize the resources of the South Tambi field. The field is well explored with 58 wells drilled. To enable gas production in harsh Arctic conditions, a special Arctica drilling rig was built. In the immediate vicinity of the South Tambi field, an LNG plant is being built along with the Sabeta seaport. The seaport construction began as public-private partnership in July of 2012. Material offloading facilities are being built as a first priority so as to enable delivery of construction cargo and process modules. Process modules of the LNG plant are built at specialized yards in Europe and Asia, from where they are shipped to northern Russian ports and further on to the construction site. Once offloaded from the vessel to the jetty using self-propelled module trailers, the modules are delivered to the construction site, where they are placed on pre-built pile foundations. This modularized approach reduces construction costs in Arctic conditions and optimizes the overall project schedule. The LNG plant will consist of 3 trains to be built in a phased approach. The LNG plant construction is being done simultaneously with production drilling at the South Tambi field and construction of gas lines and other field infrastructure. Gas from the field is supplied to the LNG plant, where it is treated using integrated gas treatment and liquefaction process. The Yamal LNG project utilizes only proven technologies with established effectiveness and reliability. Hydrocarbons from the gas wells are delivered through pipelines to the inlet facilities for initial separation of mechanical impurities, water, methanol, and condensate, after which the gas is routed to the trains where it goes through a number of phases, such as acid gas removal, dehydration, and mercury removal and preliminary cooling. Once treated and cooled, the gas is then supplied to the main cryogenic heat exchanger where liquefaction takes place, upon completion of which LNG is transferred to special cryogenic tanks. Apart from the cryogenic process, this integrated natural gas liquefaction facility also allows for condensate treatment. Since liquefaction process in Arctic conditions requires less specific energy compared to projects at southern latitudes, LNG production will be higher. Export jetties for future offloading and export of LNG and gas condensate will be built during the second construction phase of the Sabeta seaport. A unique Arc 7 ice-class vessel has been specially designed for the Yamal LNG project. Custom design of this Arctic LNG carrier will ensure safe operations both in icy conditions and in open water. The unique design of the vessel features a number of advanced technical parameters, such as a special bow configuration enabling open water navigation and an optimized stern for ice navigation. The unique location of the Yamal Peninsula opens up opportunities for a more flexible and competitive logistical model, thus allowing year-round LNG supply to the Asian, Pacific, and Atlantic markets. In near proximity to the LNG plant and Sabeta camp, an international airport is being built, which will be capable of receiving modern passenger aircraft and cargo planes, thus ensuring reliable air logistics. A number of helicopters, also based at the airport, will provide quick access to nearby villages. Such advanced infrastructure will accommodate efficient and safe operations throughout the entire project life. Yamal LNG will follow the principles of sustainable development with a strong commitment to build a long-term relationship with indigenous people and the local ethnic communities. The project design offers the most optimal location for the process facilities, and its social infrastructure, thereby minimizing environmental impact. A cutting-edge tanker fleet will enable timely delivery of LNG to consumers using both Western and Eastern shipping routes. Yamal LNG, history in the making.